I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Skiphop Bottle Bag. So this is a bag you can use if you want to carry your baby's bottles with milk, with anything where you want to keep them at a reasonable temperature for a longer time period when you're out and about. This is an insulated bag. It's kind of rigid, so you can put bottles inside of it. Opening it up, you can see you can put probably 2 or 3 bottles side by side in there. There's also a little pouch on the inside that you can put an ice pack into. It comes with 1 ice pack. I've got a couple in here too. These are extra ones that I got to replace the one I had in there, but you can just keep refreezing these and reusing them over and over to keep the inside of that insulated bag cold. You can see the bag itself is almost like a soft-sided cooler, but it does have a bit of rigidity so that your bottles don't get smushed in there. You just put them in. The only thing I would say is to make sure you keep this upright so the top zips back on. And then you've got this strap where you can clip this onto a stroller or onto a diaper bag. And you just do want to keep it upright because if your bottles aren't sealed, then you can end up with some leaks. The good news is that it's pretty easy to clean this out. It's one integral kind of chunk inside of there, and you just can take some paper towels with some water and just wipe out the inside, clean it off. I think this is great because it does do a really good job of keeping your bottles protected, keeping your bottles cool for a longer time when you're out and about.